I am going to tell the summary of the jamun tree. Dear children, have you ever thought what would happen if there would be not a single tree in our area? Just imagine. Yes, there would be no home for the birds. There would be no shade for you for at the time of playing, and there would be no fruits to eat. There would be no medicine for you, and so just you imagine if we will cut down all the trees of our area, then what would happen? In the same way, here four children are here. They also think the same thing. The four children are Jonak, Monpi, Ricky, Tinky. So these were the four children who always used to play under the shadow of the tree, especially in the summer season. So these children, actually this tree was very tall, and it was a very tall tree and stately, that means very strong tree. It had a lot of green leaves, its branches were twirling, and this tree was a source to the children. And so that naturally the children used to play under the shadow of it. They used to take rest under the shadow of it, and when the fruits were ripened, they started eating. The other neighborhood children were also coming to eat its fruit. And not only the children, the other visitors were also coming. A lot of squirrels were coming to nibble the fruits. A score of beautiful blotters were coming, and honeybees can also be seen. Some other birds were also giving their present in the tree. The parrots, hawk, kites, magpies can also be seen. And these birds were not only coming for eating its fruit, but they were also making home, that means nest, for themselves. So, in the meanwhile, these children, in the month of January was there, and in the month of January, these children celebrate Bihu festival. And what is Bihu festival? Actually, it is a festival just like a Chherchara, which is celebrated in our area. In the and Bihu is Meji. During this festival, Meji is also built. That means Meji. What is Meji? That means, do you celebrate Holi? Yes. In the same way, they also build Meji for themselves. That means sticks are collected from the nearby area, and they set a fire. Okay, they invoke the Agni and take Ashirwad blessing from it. So they also decided to build a big Meji. But the question was that from where they would collect the twigs, sticks. Their parents were not able, won't give money to them to collect, to buy the sticks. So from where they would collect? So Jonak, Ricky thought a very good idea. Why we can't cut the branches of the tree? Yes, it's a good idea. Saying like this, everybody supported him, and Ricky and Junak, being the older, they decided to climbed up the tree, and Monpi and Tinky decided to collect the sticks on the ground. So when they climbed up on the top of the tree, they saw the beautiful scene, magnificent view. And actually, it was they saw the nest of the birds, they saw the placid river, they saw the train which was making whistles, and so actually it was a home for all the birds. They also saw a little birds. They also saw the little birds. After that, what happened? Have you ever thought? So immediately they decided to climb down from the tree. So these Monpi and Tinky were surprised to see them. Why these two are climbing down? What happened all of a sudden? So actually, after some time, Ricky said, "This is a home for all the birds, and we cannot cut it down. Uh, this year we have to forget a big messy." Okay, no problem. So Junak had a very good idea. He said, our, "We have a social forestry project this year. In this project, we have to plant sababul saplings, and sababul saplings can be cut after growing, and older trees can be saved." Oh wow, what a good idea, Junak. So get some saplings. We will plant them along the boundary wall, and in 2 years' time, when they are grown, we can cut them down and have a grand magi. So each and in this way, uh, they thought a very good idea, and in all these things, they explained each and everything to their parents. Actually, their parents had gone to see to their parents to the Calcutta, and when they returned, each and everything was explained, was told by these children to their parents, and so the father smiled. "I'm glad that you didn't cut it down. You just think what would have happened? You and your friends climb the tree, eat its fruit, play in its shade. If it weren't there, our courtyard would be silent. And it takes years and years for a tree to grow, mature, bear flowers and fruits, and to cut one down takes just a few years, a few hours. After that, they were gifted, these children were gifted 4 saplings, the sapling of jamun, mango, guava and jackfruits. All were planted in the corners of the backyard. They decided to plant, and they also decided to water the plant in the morning and evening. In this way, they saved the trees. They celebrated their Mezi by not cutting the jamun tree, and they were also very glad that they didn't cut the jamun tree, and others were also very happy. So in this way, they have given a very grand message to all of us, how the trees can be saved, how the environment can be saved, and we have to think about others creature also. Okay, children. So have a good day. I hope you might have listened carefully and enjoyed this summary. this story. Thank you very much.